Hello friends, so in this video I'm going to take you guys through how to perform the GBlast airdrop, right? So this is a relatively new airdrop. It just came out a few days ago and I thought to make a video about it, showing you how to perform the tasks. But before we get in, if you do not know what airdrops are just sort of rewards or tokens given to people as rewards for taking time to test a particular blockchain network. So this is usually done on the test net, and then when the company decides to launch their product or crypto on the main net, they do share some incentives, right, or rewards to those who participated in the airdrop. So that's basically what airdrop is all about. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. So you can check the description to get the link to this airdrop and also the Twitter thread, right, which will help you perform some of the tasks in case you are facing any problems along the line. So the first thing to do always is to connect your wallet, right? So I have a separate wallet. I recommend you also have a separate Twitter account and a separate MetaMask account to perform airdrops. So you tap on next and then you tap on connect below. So now that is connected, we will move on to the next task, and that is to sign in with your MetaMask account. And just like I said earlier, you should have a separate MetaMask account that you use for this, not your actual MetaMask account, just for your own safety and to also be protected against scams if there be any. So it says here that signature request, and you'll be signing in with your address. So yes, just click on next. So the address is where you are going to receive your funds when they do the airdrop. So the next signing in to do is with your X account or Twitter account. You tap on that and you can see that is my secondary Twitter account that I made for airdrops. So click on authorize and then we move on to the next thing. So here's where you actually have the 3 quests to complete. The first one is to follow GBlast on X. So when you click on go, it takes you to the Twitter page and then you can follow them there. Click on follow and now go back to the page, to the airdrop page. So now you come back and tap on verify, and it takes a few seconds to get you verified. So we go to the next one. So like GBlast thread on Twitter, I mean X, I keep saying Twitter. So you click on the go and then it brings you to the Twitter page, and you can tap on the like, and then you can see the number of people who have already participated in this airdrop already. As of the time I was recording this video, it's just been a day. So come back and verify. So we've been verified. Now we go to the last one, that is to retweet the Twitter, the X thread. So you go back there. So you can get the idea, right? They want you to support their, I don't know whether to call it a campaign or their project, right, on Twitter, and also do some other stuff. Usually we perform some transactions on their network as well. So we are done retweeting that. We go back and then click on verify. So that's just it, guys. We've just qualified for this GBlast airdrop. If you've made it far to this video, make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe if this is your first time. So if you read below, they are saying that you can get some extra bucks for every 10 friends you invite. So that's basically a referral something. You can use my link in the description to join and also share your links later on when you are done. So that's it, guys. You can see a couple of people here have already made so many referrals, and you can also come here and then read more about the project. So this will be more or less like something like the white paper, right? Crypto white paper. So you read what the project is all about, what they aim to do, and also some of their, you can see below here they have more information about their referrals, how they do referrals and all of that, right? Thanks for watching, and that's it for this video. So do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay blessed.